तो आवाज से यहाँ से बात कहती हूँ, एक बेटी होने के नाते, एक जिम्मेदार नागरिक होने के नाते, योगी सरकार को तुरंत बर्खास्त किया जाए, यूपी में राष्ट्रपति शासन लगाया जाए।
Dear friends and viewers, this video is about the Yathras rape incident in Uttar Pradesh. Before going to the rape incident that has been happened in Uttar Pradesh, which has shocked the concepts of the entirety of humanity, not only in our country, throughout the globe. Smriti Irani, Minister for Women and Child Development, addressed the United Nations General Assembly yesterday. I quote, "Several of our legislations, such as those pertaining to sexual harassment of women at workplaces, protection of women from domestic violence, protection of children from sexual offences, and our criminal laws amendments have been strong enablers of human empowerment and protection of children, especially girls, over the past 6 years. It is true that there have been umpteen number of legislations and amendments in this regard, no doubt in it, but rampant rapes and sexual violations have been taking place in many parts of the country throughout the length and breadth of the country unabated, especially in BJP ruled states for the past 6 years, which is a cause of our concern. Just for a moment, we will forget about what opposition parties and civil rights movements say about the alleged rape assault of a young woman in Yathras in Uttar Pradesh, leading to the death and cremation without any rituals. Senior BJP leader Uma Bharati said, I quote, "She is a daughter of a Dalit family, and after her death, her cremation was done hastily, and now her family is being ring-fenced by officials. We have recently performed Bhumi Puja of the Ram temple in Ayodhya and are working to establish Ram Rajya. The actions in the Yathras will hurt the image of the party and UP government." This was the statement issued none other than the firebrand leader of the BJP party, Uma Bharati. Uma Bharati's worry is that image damage to the Ram Raja shall be avoided rather than justice to the victim's family and protection of Dalits or Dalits women in India. Even the BJP MP Rajveer expressed his regret, and he was ashamed of this cruelty meted out to a Dalit woman, and he has requested the collector of that area not to bury or cremate the body in the dead end of the night, but it can be done on the following day during daytime with Hindus rituals of other things, all that. But this request of the local MP has not gone into the ears of the district collector. The thing is that it is to be noted herein that even the Al-Qaeda leader Osama bin Laden body not handed over to his relatives but disposed of in the sea by the United States military force without observing any rituals. The point herein is to be noted that the right to a decent burial is one of the cardinal principles of human rights, and all the civilized societies and nations have accepted the principle of decent burial. But the Uttar Pradesh government, BJP government, neither follows rule of law nor worries about human values, virtues, dignities in general, and the rights of Dalit women in particular. It is a great shame that the relatives of the victim watched the funeral on TV in their home. And most shocking is that the district collector is compelling the victim's family not to reveal the facts to the media, because the medias would be in that village for just 2 or 3 days. After that they will go to their places. So he tried to convince the victim's family to give false statement so as to protect the perpetrators. This is a cause of worry, and most of the state authorities try to convince the family so as to get this corona relief, as if the death has been happened due to corona pandemic. This is the reality of the situation. There is a visual circulating in social media, that is, at the entry of UP there is a signboard says Yogi's rule welcomes you and the rule of law ends here. That was the signboard statement. I repeat it. Yogi's rule welcomes you and the rule of law ends here. Shows the Jungle Raj in Uttar Pradesh. My request is that through this video, all the culprits shall be booked and the law take its logical ends, and Yogi Adityanath shall be put to task, and he shall be removed from the chief ministership, and the UP government shall be dismissed by the President of India for doing Jungle Raj in Uttar Pradesh. This is the expectation of a citizen who has faith in Indian democracy. Thank you so much.